90% of the biology paper in the NEET 2026 examination will come from this particular session. So watch this particular session till the end. My dear students, I'm going to give you some topics which are going to surely come in the NEET 2026 examination when it comes to the subject biology. If you are really willing to score 340 plus in biology in the NEET 2026 examination, then this particular session is for you. So first of all, my dear students, I'm going to give you some topics, right, in the subject biology. You just have to study these topics, and if you are studying these topics in depth, my dear students, your 90% biology paper will come from these particular topics only. So talk about the block 1. This is what I call as block 1. In your first block, you'll be getting 8 to 10 questions. And what all topics you have to cover in this block? Starting with taxonomy categories, virus, viroids, prions, fungi examples, algae, numerical taxonomy, prothallus, protonema. You have got chordate characters. You have got classification with examples. So this is your block 1. From this block, you'll be getting definitely 8 to 10 questions for sure. Coming to block 2. In block 2, you will get 3 questions for sure, right? You have got symbols, flower, you have got phyllotoxy, you have got placentation. Similarly, you have got dicot stem, leaf comparison. 2 questions from this particular block. Similarly, you have got connective tissue and frog. Again, 2 questions from this particular block. And surely you guys are going to get these questions, my dear students, right, from this particular slide. Similarly, moving on to the next block. In this particular block, 7 to 9 questions for sure in your NEET 2026 examination in the subject biology. So starting with endomembrane system, you have got cilia flagella, you have got plasma membrane, enzymes, amino acids, meiosis substages, cell cycle. From this particular block, again 7 to 9 questions for sure. Again, from this particular block, you have got 8 to 10 questions, my dear students. C3, C4 cycle, as you can see, you have got Cran's anatomy, you have got PS1, PS2, Z scheme, factors affecting photosynthesis, glycolysis, fermentation reaction. In Krebs cycle, you have got SLP, NADH, H positive formation, ETC complexes, RQ value. So this particular block again is super important, from which you will be surely getting 8 to 10 questions. So do not skip a single topic out of these topics, guys. Okay, prioritize them the most. Similarly, in this particular block, 12 to 14 questions, my dear students, for sure, 100%, it's my assurance to you. So first of all, you have got oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve, mechanism of breathing, pulmonary volumes, blood clotting, cardiac cycle, sliding filament theory, joints, regulation of kidney functions, urine formation, ionic theory, parts of brain. Similarly, mechanism of hormone action, adrenal gland, thyroid, pituitary disorder. So this particular block will consist of 12 to 14 questions surely in the NEET 2026. Okay, do not again skip a single topic from here. Now, next block. This particular block will consist of 7 to 9 questions, guys, and surely these are going to come. Okay, starting with your menstrual cycle, your embryonic development, assisted reproductive tech, you have got contraceptives, pollination, amphimixis, polyembryony, you have got sporogenesis. From this particular block, 7 to 9 questions, guys. Similarly, coming to the next one, you have got diseases, RTI, cancer, morphine, drug structure and function, STP plus biogas, biofertilizers, bioactive molecule. This particular block will give you 7 to 8 questions for sure. Moving on to the next block, guys. Again, from this particular block, you'll be getting some 10 to 12 questions. 10 to 12 questions. And my dear students, if you look at this particular block, what all topics you have to prioritize the most. You cannot skip a single topic from this particular block as well, because again, 10 to 12 questions, that's huge. Starting with your Mendelian exception, right? You have got pleiotropy, you have got polygenic inheritance, you have got mutation, you have got disorder, sickle cell, cystic fibrosis, PKU, HGP, DNA fingerprinting, operon, transcription in eukaryotes. You have to study enzymes there. You have got splicing, you have got DNA replication enzymes. Again, you have got your adaptive radiation, right? Similarly, these are all the other topics. And my dear students, again, 10 to 12 questions from this particular slide as well. Now, one last slide which I'm going to give you, right? This is the last slide, I believe. No, this is not the last slide. I think this is the last slide. Yeah, this is the last slide. Again, from this particular block, 6 to 8 questions, and from this particular block, 8 to 10 questions. So look at the topics again. rDNA tools, enzymes, gel electrophoresis, you have got nomenclature rule. Similarly, insulin, RNAi, downstream processing, 6 to 8 questions as I told you. From this particular block, you have got interaction, population growth curve models, ecological pyramids, decomposition, in situ, ex situ, SA relationship, diagram data, HOAC. 8 to 10 questions from this particular block as well. My dear students, let me tell you, every year when it comes to the NEET 2026 examination, your 90% paper consists of these topics only, right? 90, because these are the short topics. These are the most important topics which are in your subject biology, right? If questions are not asked from most important topics, then I don't know from where the questions are going to come. So take these topics very, very, very seriously, right? Do revise them again and again for the upcoming 30 days. Do revise them again and again, my dear students, because biology is again going to be your scoring this year as well, right? So this was a small, quick session when I just wanted to share with you the most important topics which you have to prioritize in the subject biology, and these are the topics. And my dear students, if you want the PDF of this particular session, I'll be sharing the PDF of this particular session on my Telegram. The name of the Telegram channel is Wassim Bhat Chemistry Official. Wassim Bhat Chemistry Official is the name of the Telegram channel on which I shall be sharing the PDF of this particular session as well, right? So prioritize them and score 340 plus when it comes to the biology in the NEET 2026 examination. With this, I'll be taking leave. You take care. God bless you all and love you all. I've already given you the topics in chemistry, right? In physics, Yavar sir has already given you the important topics. Take care, guys.